I'm fine, Nana. How are you? How are you doing at home? Yes. Who has joined in the meeting? Joshika, Varshini, Shravanti, Zuhitram. Okay, how are you, kids?
Ma'am, I love fine, madam.
You're fine. Very good. Do you all had your breakfast?
Yes, madam.
Yes, very good, children. Let's we wait for one more minute, Nana. Let your friends will join, okay? I hope you are all doing good at home. Yes, listening the classes and writing the homeworks. Very good children you are. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Shravanti.
Jayant, ma'am.
Is it Shravanti? Yes, very good morning, Shravanti.
Jayant, ma'am.
What, Nana?
Jayant.
Jayant. Okay. Okay, Jayant. Good morning. And um, yes, last time we discussed some topic, isn't it? What we said last time, what we discussed. I told a small
Sorry,
story.
ma'am.
Yes, very good, Nana. I told a story to you. Do you remember that story? Yes, I know everyone will remember that. Yes, who is this joined the meeting? Again, he left. Ah, no, Hishwant. Yes. Shall we start a
Good
new
morning,
topic?
ma'am.
Good morning, Hishwant. Today we are going to learn some new
Have
topic. What, Nana? Okay, listen carefully. Listen, ma, once again. Don't switch on your mics while I am speaking. Okay? Don't switch on your mics while I am speaking. Don't switch on your videos also.
how about you, ma'am?
I'm fine, Hishwan. How are you? And how are you? Yes, listen, Nana. Please mute your speakers. If you mute your speakers, you can hear my voice clearly and you can answer me well. Isn't it? So please mute your speakers. I'll ask the questions one by one. You please answer. Okay? Don't give mass answers to me. Okay? Very good, children. You all muted your speakers. Okay, listen carefully. Today we are going to learn a very new and interesting topic. Okay, are you ready to hear? Yes, I hope
Yes,
you're all
ma'am.
here. Yes, that's very good. Okay. Shall we start our new topic or shall we wait for your friends to join?
Ma'am, start, ma'am.
Okay. Um, we will wait one more minute. Okay. If other friends will join, no. If they came late, they will miss the topic, isn't it? So let them also listen, Nana. Let we wait one more minute. Then story. Okay, I want to say a story. You please listen carefully. Okay. Yes. Okay, children, see here, I'll show you a picture. I'll show you a picture. Look at here. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, very good morning. Very good morning, Nana. Very good morning to you all. Yes. Are you able to see this picture? Look at the picture. Yes. For the, yes, grandmother, grandfather, mother.
Ma'am.
What? What, Nana? Varshini, you joined the meeting. Okay, good morning, Nana. Okay, listen, I want to say a story. Okay, you see here, one small baby is there in the hands of a mother. Isn't it? One small baby is there. You can see that. Yes, that baby, you see that? Just a minute. Yes. Okay. Okay, Nana, I'll share you another picture. Just look at the picture. Okay, please. Look at the picture. Yes. Are you able to see this picture? Yes. Okay, I'll ask the question from the picture. You please answer. Okay. Tanush, are you there?
Yes,
Are you able to see that picture?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is there in the picture?
Pomegranate tree.
Oh,
Pomegranate tree.
very good, very good. Pomegranate tree. Very nice. And Pushwant, what are what are the things are you are observing from that tree? Ishwant, are you there?
Bud, ma'am. Bud.
Bird. Still, what is there? Still, what are there? Still, what are
Crow.
there? I did.
Crow.
I'm not asking the name. Still, what are there in the tree? What you see from that picture? You are seeing a tree. Uh, what is there in the tree? What are they present there?
Pomegranate tree.
Very good. Pomegranate tree. You are seeing the fruits. Yes, you are seeing the fruits and saying the name very perfectly. Very good, children. Okay. Uh, are you seeing the leaves of the tree?
Madam,
Yes.
ma- hello, madam.
Yes, madam. Good morning, madam. Yes. Please listen, Nana. You are seeing the tree here. Very good. You said that is a pomegranate tree. And I'm asking that what is that? What is there present on the tree? You can see some leaves are there.
Pomegranate tree, ma'am.
Okay, Nana. It
Pomegranate tree, ma'am.
is a pomegranate tree. By the fruits, you are saying that. And I'm asking some leaves are there. Some flowers are there. Isn't it? Are you able to see those things? Isn't it? Yes. Tree will have fruits, flowers, and also leaves, branches. So these are all will have in the tree, isn't it? Fr- isn't it? Fruits, by the fruits you are saying that it is a pomegranate tree. But there are leaves are there, flowers are there, branches are there, and also roots also are there. That means tree has many parts. Many parts combine, we call it a tree, isn't it? From that many parts, we call it a tree. And also I want to say that in our in human being also so many parts are there. In human being also so many parts are there. You can see from that our body will form. From that our body will form. You can see in your textbook, from your textbook you can see a boy. Today I want to introduce boy from your textbook. Okay, one new boy. That boy name is called. What can the name we give? Okay, we will give that boy name is Pandu. Okay, Pandu is showing his body parts. Today Pandu is showing his body parts to us. Pandu is showing body parts to us. Do you know all your body parts? Yes. Do you know all your body parts? I hope you all know your body parts very well. Previous classes, you may learn those things, isn't it? Yes. Today, I will also show you one picture. You please see it. Okay? Yes. Are you able to see this picture? This Pandu.
Excuse me, madam.
Hello.
Excuse. Madam.
Yes, madam.
అది ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ లో పారాగ్రాఫ్ అయిపోయిందా మేడం? ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారా అబౌట్ మీలో?
Yes, madam. Today I want to tell you, madam. Next class we will discuss that, madam.
ఓకే ఓకే. అదే లాస్ట్ టైం అది నేను నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో డిస్కస్ చేస్తా అన్నారు. ఒకవేళ అయిపోయిందా, మేము మిస్ అయ్యామా అని అడుగుతున్నాను.
Okay, thank you. Yes, you can see a picture here. This Pandu is showing his body parts. Are you able to see this body parts? Yes, yes, you know very well. I think you know very well your body parts. Okay, here you can see he is showing his head. If you touch your top of your head, you can feel something is there. What is that? It is hair. It is a hair. And also it is hair is fixed to your head. Hair is fixed to your head. In that you can see eyes, nose, ears, mouth, neck, shoulders, hands, elbow, arms, fingers, stomach, legs, knees, toes, and foot. These are all the body parts the Pandu has. Do you all has these body parts? Do you all has these body parts? All people has these body parts?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Oh, not only Pandu, we also have same body parts, isn't it? We also have same body parts. That means God created us with all same body parts to everyone. God created us with all same body parts as Pandu, isn't it? So everyone has same body parts. Everyone has same body parts. Why God created different body parts? Why God created different body parts? Every body part has to do its work. Every body part has to do its work. Really, isn't it? In our body, so many body parts are there. We can see so many body parts, isn't it? Every body part is doing its work. Every body part is doing its work together. Every body part is doing its work together. Please, you know very well what your eyes will see. Oh, sorry. What will your eyes will do? I am showing some pictures. What your eyes are doing? Is it Yes, very good. Your
I
eyes
can't
are seeing. Now I am teaching you in class what your ears are doing.
hearing, ma'am.
Yes, that means your ears are helping. Yes, your ears are helping you to hear. Yes, I think your mother has cooked some delicious food for your lunch, isn't it? I think your mother has cooked some delicious food for lunch. Some smell is coming, isn't it? Some smell is coming from your kitchen. I can feel that. Do you all feel some smell coming from your kitchen? Isn't it? That means which body part is saying to smell?
Nose.
Very good. Your nose is working so that your nose is getting some delicious smell from your kitchen. Isn't it? Very good. Now, after completing our class, I'll give some homeworks. Isn't it? What you will do then? You will write. Yes, right? You will write your homeworks. That means your hands also working. Your hands working. Suppose after all completing that, evening times you will go out and play. Evening times you will move out and play. And what makes you to move? Your legs helps you to move. Your legs helps you to move faster. Isn't it? Your legs will help you to move. Yes. Okay. See here. I want to show you a video. Please see this video. Yes. Are you able to see this video, Nana?
Yes.
Yes?
No, ma'am. Compare, ma'am.
Please, just a minute, Nana. Just a minute. Yes. Now, are you able to see this video? I'm showing a small doll. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes. See carefully. Yes, I'm showing a small doll to you. Very cute and nice doll, isn't it? Yes. See here, this doll has very long hair. This doll has very long hair. And this is the head. And this is the head. And you can see two eyes are there. Two eyes are there, and small nose is there, and small little mouth is there, and very cute and chubby cheeks are there. Very cute and chubby cheeks, and a small ears are there. Are you able to see this? Yes? Okay. One slim neck is there. You can see her neck, isn't it? Her neck is there. You can see the hands. Hands. Yes, this is called, we call a shoulder. So, which part? This part. This part we call a shoulder. Okay. And these are hands. These are hands. I'm showing no these are hands. Two hands. We have two hands. Yes. And two hands, we can see a small fingers are there. These are called fingers. These are called fingers. Yes. And here at the hand, you can see her elbow. Her elbow is there here. Elbow is there. Very hard thing, isn't it? Very hard thing. And from here to here, from here to here, we called it arm. Here to here, we call it arm. Arms. Okay. Yes. And here in the middle, here I am pointing the finger. This is the stomach. This is the stomach. Yes. And here The long thing we have is legs. You can see legs of this doll, isn't it? Yes, legs are there, and you can see the here also some fingers are there, Nana. Yes, these fingers are the toes, toes, fingers, leg fingers. We call it as toes, not fingers. Okay, from two hands we call it fingers. For hands we call it fingers. We call toes. We call them as toes. Okay, and here in legs you can see elbows are there. Sorry, knees. Sorry, Nana, I told elbows. These are knees. Okay, these are knees. They help us to bend our leg. They help us to bend our leg to move back and front. To move back and front, isn't it? Knees, elbows help our hand to move back and front, and the knees help our leg to move back and front. Yes, this very little doll shows us the body parts, isn't it? This very little doll shows us the body parts. Say thanks to this doll. Say thanks. Yes. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Yes. Okay, do you understand? I showed something from the doll. Do you understand your body parts?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Our
ma'am.
children understand very easily. Yes, you are very intelligent children. Today, I am going to say you one small rhyme. One small rhyme. Okay, I'll sing it for you first. Okay, I'll sing it for you first. Just listen. Okay, just listen. Okay, Nana? Yes. Two little ears to help you hear, two little eyes that help you see, two little ears to help you hear, two little eyes that help you see, one little mouth that makes you say, one little mouth that makes you say, two chubby cheeks for you to play, two chubby cheeks for you to play, two little eyebrows that make you frown, two little eyebrows that make you frown, one little head to calm you down. One little head to calm you down. Will you repeat it for me? Are you ready to repeat the poem? To repeat a rhyme with me?
Yes,
Ye-
ma'am.
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
repeat
ma'am.
it by muting your mics. Just repeat it, Nana. If you switch on the mics, nobody can hear. Okay. Two little ears to help you hear, two little eyes that help you see, one little mouth that makes you say, two chubby cheeks for you to play, two little eyebrows that make you frown, one little head to calm you down, two teeny lips and white teeth, two teeny lips and white teeth, one little nose to help you breathe, one little nose to help you breathe, one wiggle tongue that helps you taste, one little tongue that helps you taste. Are you repeating, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you repeating by muting
Yes,
your
ma'am.
mics? Yes, very good children. You are very good children. Shall we repeat it again? Shall we repeat it again? Yes? Yes. Two little ears to help you hear. Two little eyes that help you see. One little mouth that makes you say. Two chubby cheeks for you to play. Once again. Two little ears to help you hear. Two little eyes that help you see. One little mouth that makes you say. Two chubby cheeks for you to play. Two little eyebrows that make you frown. Two little eyebrows that make you frown. One little head to calm you down. One little head to calm you down. Two tiny lips and white teeth. One little nose to help you breathe. Two tiny lips and white teeth. One little nose to help you breathe. One wiggle tongue that helps you taste. One wiggle tongue that makes you taste. Two little eyelids that blink in haste. Two little eyelids that blink in haste. Two little elbows, two little knees. Two little elbows, two little knees. Two long legs that look like trees. Two long legs like Two long legs that look like trees. Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two tiny feet to tap, tap, tap. Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two tiny feet to tap, tap, tap. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle and get them close. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle and get them close. These are the parts of the body you see. These are the parts of the body you see. Let's do it once again for baby and me. These are the parts of the body you see. Let's do it once again for baby and me. Yes, children, do you like this rhyme?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it good? What, Nana? Bagundi? Talk in English, Nana. Speak in English, no. It's good. Say it's good, ma'am. Okay. Yes. What, Nana?
Super, ma'am. Ma'am,
Super.
so nice, madam.
If you sing, it will be very, very good. If you all sing at a time, it will be very good to hear. Really. Now my voice is not good. Yours voice is very sweet, Nana. If you sing that rhyme, it will be
So nice,
very
ma'am.
it will be very nice to hear to us. We are all in we can sing all together, isn't it? If we are all in our school.
Your
Yes?
voice very nice.
Okay,
Right,
thank
very
you.
nice, ma'am.
Okay, listen. Okay, thank you. If you sing also, yours voice will be very good. If you and your friends will sing together, it will looks very good and it will makes us to hear also very good. Isn't it? We are all missing our classroom, isn't it? If we are all in our class, I can show you the action also. In this we can't able to do the action, so I just sang the rhyme for you. That means in this rhyme we are learning that all body parts, isn't it? Ears are helping to hear, eyes are helping to see, Mouth is helping to say something to others. Chubby cheeks are, we play with our cheeks, isn't it? We play with our cheeks, boom, boom. Yes. And two eyebrows are there. We can express our feeling with our eyebrows. And our head makes us to think, isn't it? We have tiny lips and white teeth. And our nose helps us to breathe. Wiggle tongue means our tongue moves here and there, isn't it? Our tongue moves here and there. That tongue helps you to taste. If you are eating ice cream, you lick that ice cream, no? That makes you to taste very delicious. Which makes you to taste delicious? Your tongue helps you to taste, isn't it? And your eyelids means what have in with your eyes, that is called eyelids. That eyelids will blink blink, isn't it? Yes, your elbows are there, knees are there. Your legs will look like a tree. Tall legs you will have. Now you are very small kids, so you will have a very small and cute and little legs. When you become elders, then your legs will looks like your trees, isn't it? Yes, we will clap with our hands, we will write with our hands, we will push with our hands. Yes, we will walk with our legs, we will jump with our legs, isn't it? So every body part is doing its work. Whatever you are saying, your body parts are listening. Have you seen your body part is fighting with each other? Have you seen your body part is fighting with each other? Oh, you do. If legs, suppose legs and hands are fighting, you assume, you imagine that. That means మీరు ఊహించుకోండి. Okay? Suppose your hands and legs are fighting. Okay, hands are saying that I am doing a lot of work, and legs also saying that I am doing a lot of work. So those both are fighting and came to an agreement. What that agreement? Hands said that I will walk with hands, I will walk with hands. Legs told that I will write with legs. So is that possible? Is that possible, Nana? Shravanti? No. Yes, Juhitram is answering. No. It will look awkward, isn't it? It will look very different if hands are walking and legs are writing. So God created each and every part for its work. We also should make them to work. We also should make them to work for perfect things. We should not do all dirty things with our body parts. We should do very good things with our body parts. So you should also keep your body parts safe. You should also keep your body parts safe. You can, I showed you one tree firstly, isn't it? You said that tree is there, madam. Fruits are there, pomegranate fruits are there, and leaves are there. Yes, flowers are there. You said so many things. That means after cutting this fruit, you can see some inside the fruit, isn't it? After cutting every fruit, you can see some delicious skin will be there, delicious seeds will be there in the fruit. That means something there inside also, in our body also. These are the body parts which we can see outside. These are the body parts which we are seeing outside. But some other body parts also there inside our body. They are also working together with this outside body parts. They are also working with this outside body parts. Because of both working, we are doing our work very perfectly. We are doing our work very perfectly, and we are doing our work in time also. Isn't it? Yes? Okay. I'll ask some questions from this. Okay. Will you answer me? Are you ready, Nana? Are you ready to answer my questions? Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, mute your speaker. I'll ask one by one. Okay, listen carefully, Nana. I'll ask one by one. Don't tell you did not ask me, madam. I'll ask one by one. Those who got chance, that person should answer. Next time, I'll ask another person. Okay? Okay. Very good, children. Joshika, what do you do with your hands?
Clap.
Very good. And you can say anything. Okay? Very good. You can clap with your hands. Very
Ma'am.
good. Nana. Uzma, what do you do with your legs?
I'm
What do
playing,
you
ma'am.
What, Nana?
Playing.
Playing. That means you can play with your hands also, no?
Walking.
Yes, you should say perfect word. Very good. Walking. You can walk with your legs. Thank you. Mute your speaker, Mokshit.
Yes,
Which help,
madam.
yes, which helps you to smell? Which body parts helps you to smell?
మేడం ముక్క నుంచి మేడం నోస్ నుంచి స్మెల్ వస్తారు మేడం
Okay, Nana, what you want to say, please try to speak in English. Okay. From what, Mokshit?
మేడం నోస్ నోస్ నుంచి స్మెల్ వస్తారు మేడం
Speaking. Okay, you got some words. Okay. Nose helps us to smell. Okay, nose helps us to smell. Very good. Please try to speak some words in English. At least try to speak some words. Okay, then only you can speak in English. Then okay. mm, Tanish, which helps, which body part helps you to taste?
టంగర్
Which what
టంగ్
what Tongue. Tongue, not tongue. What is that?
Mouth.
It's a
టంగ్
tongue, not
మౌత్
tongue, not Nana. Tongue. Don't add Telugu in that. Okay. Just say tongue. Okay. Pronounce it as tongue. Okay. Very good. Okay. Now I'll ask one question to Varshini. Varshini. Yes. Listen carefully the question. Listen carefully the question. Which body part helps your legs to move front and back? Which body part helps your legs to move front and back? What, Nana? Legs are helps you to walk. Which body part help you to move your legs? Move your legs front and back. నీ లెగ్స్ ని మూవ్ చేయటానికి, ముందుకు వెనక్కి మూవ్ చేయటానికి విచ్ బాడీ పార్ట్ ఈస్ హెల్పింగ్? వన్ బాడీ పార్ట్ ఈస్ దేర్, యు ఆర్ మిస్సింగ్ అట్ లెగ్స్. యు థింక్ సంథింగ్ ఈస్ దేర్. వాట్ నానా? వాట్ నానా? Hands, not hands. Your legs will have knees, no? Knees are there at legs. Knees are there, isn't it? Do you have knees? Knees means mokalu. Knees means, yes. If you touch your knee and move your leg front and back, it will move, isn't it? That means your knees are helping to move your legs front and back. Your knees are helping your legs to move front and back. Very good, Varshini. Okay, very good. Now, who will answer my question? Hishwant will answer. No, no, not Hishwant. Shravanti will answer. Shravanti. Are you there, Nana? Shravanti, are you there?
I'm not Shanti ma'am. Jayanth Reddy ma'am.
Okay, Jayanth Reddy. Okay, here I am seeing the name Shravanti, so I am calling that. Okay, your name is Jayant. Okay, Jayant, listen the question carefully. Okay, listen the question carefully, Nana. Which body part helps your hands to move front and back? Which body part helps your arms to move front and back? నీ ఆర్మ్స్ ని మూవ్ చేయటానికి which body part is helping? Do you know the answer, Vishwan? Jayant? Sorry.
Ma'am.
What, Tanush?
Tell ma'am.
What, Nana?
I tell ma'am.
Okay, you tell. Okay. Okay, answer me.
Elbow.
Very good. Elbow helps our arms to move. Very good. Which body part helps us to count numbers? Or which body part helps us to catch ball?
Hands ma'am.
Very good.
Hands ma'am.
Hands. Hands. Which body part helps us to take our spoon? To take spoon.
Fingers ma'am.
Fingers. Very good. Very good. You all listen very nice today. Very good. Very good, children. Okay, mute your speakers. So, I hope you all understand the body parts very well. Isn't it? Okay. Tomorrow, I'll discuss something more about interesting topic about your body parts. We will discuss in next class. Okay, Nana? Okay? Yes. Today, I want to give you some homework, that is, write the body part name. Suppose write body part name hand, and what the work hands do. What are the works you are doing with the hands? You write it. Okay. If you write hands and then give space and write what you will write, what your hands will do. Your hands will help you to write, push, and play. You can write all these things. Okay, like that you please list out your body parts, some body parts. I'll give the body parts name to your WhatsApp group. That body parts you write what work you will do with that body parts. Okay, Nana? Yes? Okay. I hope you are all understood this topic. Okay, next class we'll discuss our new topics. Okay, till then, read your textbook page number 9 once again, 9 and 10. Okay. Okay, thanks for your listening all. Shall we
Bye ma'am.
shall we end our meeting? Shall we end our meeting? Yes, very good, Nana. Okay, take care you all. Bye.
Bye ma'am.
Okay, Nana. Bye, take care.
Bye ma'am. Bye ma'am. Bye ma'am.